Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Linksys EA9300 AC4000 tri-band Wi-Fi router from start to finish, including how to physically connect the hardware, access the setup page in your browser, and configure your wireless network settings quickly and easily. Let's get started. Connect the power adapter to the router and turn it on. Wait until the Linksys logo light is solid. On your wireless computer, tablet, or smartphone, open the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the router's default wireless network. The default network name, SSID, and Wi-Fi password are printed on a label attached to the bottom of the router. Use those credentials to complete the connection. Open a supported web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar at the top of the screen, carefully type linksys.smartwifi.com and press enter. This will take you to the Linksys Smart Wi-Fi setup and login page. Check the box beside I have read and accepted the license terms for using this software. Then click Next to proceed. The Smart Setup wizard will now start to detect your internet connection. Quick tip: for some digital subscriber line (DSL) customers, the setup will prompt for an account name and password from your internet service provider (ISP). Enter the necessary information, then click Next to continue. In the Updates for your router window, the Install Future Router Updates Automatically Recommended is checked by default. This allows automatic updates in the future. You can always change this option later. Click Next to proceed. Enter your new Wi-Fi network name and network password. These will apply for both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Click Next once done. If you need to create a unique Wi-Fi name for your 5 GHz network, you can do so after setup by logging into the router's web-based setup page. Reconnect to your network. Now that your router has a new Wi-Fi name, you will need to connect your wireless device to it and enter the password to continue with setup. After you have connected to the new Wi-Fi settings, click Next. Create a new router password and password hint and click Next. Quick tip: this is your router's local administrator password. Your router setup is complete and your network is now active. The device is successfully connected to the internet, and your Wi-Fi is ready to use. You can connect all your wireless devices and begin browsing, streaming, gaming, and working without interruption. If you are unable to set up your Linksys EA9300, AC4000 tri-band router or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thank you for watching.